Gratitude to you, beloved Creator, for those of us present here. We are not only present, but dutifully so. We are here answering our call to nurture the people to a better place than that which has been imposed on us for too long. Like love, the kind of nurture we offer is a bit like tough love. Unlike belief, we hold and carry an inner standing and awareness backed by much research and doggedness for accuracy and true history. Evidence, personal experience, and facts provide us with an unwavering certitude. Boundaries are set, much as our commitment to follow through. It is by your guidance, beloved Creator, that we push, a God-given effort, to assist in alleviating the unmistakable suffering caused by authority that clearly has no God energy in it. We are grateful to be aware that we are who we are, and that no one should dare be mistreated due to noncompliance to an arbitrary or artificial law. We are grateful, so grateful, for one another. One fir tree alone can snap in the storm. A grove of fir trees support and protect from the wind currents coming at us. Instead, we are flexible, and like the reed or palm tree in a raging storm, we bend to stand tall once again and firm in our place. We are grateful you have our backs in all that we do that is right and true, not for ourselves alone, but for the dignity and freedom of others. Let it be so, and so it is.
Thank you, Charlie.
Hello, sheriffs. We greet you with all the best of every good fortune for the good. In all the oaths from sheriffs that we have seen, from Pat Garrett, now retired, to Sam Elliott, they all mention constitutions that attorneys, judges, and others have decided is the definition of constitutional. The Bouvier Law Dictionary, 6th edition, 2nd volume, written in 1856, was, has, been, is now, and will continue to define the United States of America's Constitution and Oregon's Constitution at inception in February 1859. That is, original jurisdiction on Oregon, hung out here on the Pacific coast. No law, statute, rule, regulation, ordinance, order, or other may, shall infringe upon our two constitutions. We have the definitive, authentic Jural Dictionary, just 3 years old when Oregon became a state, an independent nation, and the 33rd in the Perpetual Union, a confederation since 1777. The Bouvier Dictionary, 1856, is available on Amazon, is printed in Troutdale, Oregon, of all things, and can be delivered in 3 days at a fair price. Each of you addressed here has an oath to two constitutions that you need to read and listen to with others in a group. The ones who are taking the same oath with the definitions on the table. You are no longer deceived. Now you know. You are responsible for taking the correct oath to the correct constitutions with the laws of nature and of nature's God included. It deals with people and trade and private. In the last 150 years, more or less, it has become corporate and maritime, admiralty, taxes, probate, international, commercial, inter- and intrastate public commerce. Without the office of sheriff properly occupied, there is no constitutional Republican form of government on Oregon. There is the de facto Salem oligarchy, where Kate and Tina are both convicted of breaking their oaths, where 89 legislators broke their oaths on January 21st, 2021, and were convicted. The Article 7 amended judiciary acquiesced to having no proper oath, proof of bondability, and proved themselves unfit for a position of trust, November 2022. Not one rebuttal in 6.75 years signed, sealed, stamped, witnessed, proof of service, published on our website, https://www.orsja.org, and other such places, all documented as facts filed into our civilian common law court of record. Courts decide law and juries decide facts. Judges decide matters of less than $20 in our Article 3, 1 Supreme Court, claiming original jurisdiction found in the Amendment 7 Civilian Common Law Court of Record. There is a lie about which judge, in what court, under what circumstances, and that you should consult an Oregon State bar attorney. Just kidding. You are required to be thoroughly aware and competent in your own oath, knowledgeable to your own responsibilities and obligations. An oath to a constitution that has no regard for the people is, to the people, worse than no oath at all. If one plays ignorant to our true history, there is no service at all. Anything less than a proper oath, with the proper understanding behind it, is just kicking the can downhill on a long road to nowhere good. And I thank you.
They do not want to let go of this. They do not intend on losing here. And we do not intend giving it back to them.
And then the bullets started flying. And then he jumps out of the car. And he's got both his hands up.
And he got out of the car, and he had his hands in the air. He's like, just shoot me then. This is what you want, to shoot me. And they did. They shot him dead. With his hands in the air, and I saw it. I swear to God. He was just walking with his hands in the air. And they shot him. And they shot him dead, and then after he was down on the ground, shot him 3 more times.